Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to create a racing or driving game in Unity engine. Yes, I use Unity 5.6.7 as my game developing engine. I know I'm far away from the recent version of Unity, but what to do, I have a very bad PC, the processor is 32-bit. Whatever, if you are using the recent version of Unity 2018 version, nothing will be very difficult to change or customize within this two version. Okay, let's get started. Before I actually get into creating this game, this is not going to be a game from scratch, but it is going to be a game created from something called X-Racer Kit. In the description below, I'll give you a link of that X-Racer Kit, and when you have done that, you'll get these three folders: editor, standard assets, and X-Racer. And once again, this is the Unity's hierarchy, this is the inspector panel, and by default you will not have this lightning over here, so I'm going to close this tab for now. And this is the project panel. As I have said, this is the console where all of your annoying errors will show up, and this is just something which locates your assets on your project panel. Okay, so let's get started. Actually, I want to preview what I am going to create, and before I am previewing this, I have muted the audio of this game from here. You can unmute this and enjoy the sound effect of the game. Actually, I am not going to create any sound for this game that it already have, so I'm not going to unmute the audio. I will leave it as it is. And once again, X-Racer is not a free version, free Unity asset kit. Although I have given you links to download it free, I want you to think few times before you use this kit for your commercial purposes. Okay, once again, this video is just for educational purposes. It will never ever harm me for sharing this kit. Okay, let's hop in. So I am going to preview my kit, not their kit. Okay, let's hit play. Yep, this is the play button, this is the pause, and I do not know what this does. Well, this thing is the menu have audio on it, and it's pretty loud. Okay, now when you open this up, it will show X-Racer. I just did a Photoshop work to make it Z-Racer. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now let's hit play and see what they have given me. This is the default mobile version, and the ship is pretty black because I did some bad stuff on it. Okay, I really have to play a lot to complete this level. Whatever, I'm not going to play it now. As you have seen, you are watching, the record is 5116 meters. I know you can break that in need of time. Whatever, we are going to start with the main menu name or the logo, as I have changed it before this video before I started creating this video. So I'm going to go on the scene tab to really give you a look of what this is looking. When you first time open up this editor, you will see this. Okay, this is the main menu. Now this is the store menu. Now I'll go under canvas, over here under main menu, under background, and under logo image. You have to give it a logo image. By default, you'll have the X-Racer. I have done a little Photoshop work to make that the racer, as the is a really favorite name of mine. Even my friends call me the. Yep, I know this is praising myself, but whatever. I don't care what you're thinking about this, whatever. So this is how you can change it. Once again, I'm going to repeat this. Select under canvas. Oh, let's repeat this from begin. On project panel, X Racer scenes, X Racer mobile, under canvas, under canvas, under let's say main menu, and under background the logo image. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, so I am not going to describe everything so nicely also, taking so much time. And once again, I am not an Englishman. Whatever, let's get on and let's hit play and see the game actually. Play. We'll see the store later on. Okay, this is the game. Pretty cool. And this comes with the, let's say, the version of X Racer, and on store you can buy your own ships. And as I've said, I played it a little lot. That's why I have this credit. I haven't actually edited it. You can edit it. Customizing this is so easy. I'm going to select on this, and I'm going to hit play to really prove that the store is actually working. So I'm going to restart, and as you can see, the ship's color is black now. And after watching this tutorial, you can change or customize your ships and this world as well. And once again, I'm not going to change the world. If I change the world, I will have to create new terrains, and creating new terrains will take hours after hours to create a new terrain. And know about Unity. Unity's worst thing is creating those big city and area stuffs, whatever. Playmaker allows you to create those with ease, but I'm not going to talk about Playmaker, and Playmaker is not free as well, and I am not going to share Playmaker for free. Okay, I don't think this is intro or something we are creating. Whatever, we have already learned how to change that picture, and now this thing is, this store thing still belongs to X Racer. We have to change this, so let's change this. So under canvas, under store menu, under shop title, here it says X Racer by default, and I'm going to make it the Racer. Easy peasy. Okay, it's more easier than the Photoshop work. It is going to be like this, and unless you don't hit save, and hitting save is pretty easy. Go on the file, saves in, or Ctrl S to save. Okay, we have learned the basic, no, not even the basic, we just learned changing names and stuff. And now let's hop in to change the world into something else. Okay, we're not going to change this mobile world actually. We're going to change the other one called sci-fi. Now I'm going to open that up under X Racer, under scenes, there's X Racer sci-fi. Okay, I think it loaded up the sci-fi one, and once again my computer is pretty laggy and boring. The sci-fi one may not work in my device nicely, and once again I have removed every single material from the sci-fi world to boost up this video. Okay, let's hit play and see the sci-fi world a little bit. The edited one actually, the stuff I edited won't even okay, my editing may look something like pretty bad, but after a few seconds you will learn how to modify or edit this world, and when you have learned editing you can make this beautiful. And once again, I hate that editing, sorry. Okay, now let's change this into something more good looking. So I'll go under model and materials, under sci-fi. I'll select this ground, and over here I'll have to give it some texture, which by default have some textures. I removed them just for speeding up this video. Okay, now over here I can use this as my a thumbnail of my inspector panel as well. In this bricks folder I have some assets which I can use. I will give you this bricks folder in down below as well, down below in the links as well. Just follow that up. Now in this non-texture we're going to give the brick 1 texture, and I'm going to go on the X-Racer, models, materials, sci-fi, and obstacle 1. And obstacle 1 is going to have, I'm going to search some bricks over here. I will say obstacle 1, the brick 2. No, the obstacle 2 is going to have brick 3, as you have guessed. I know these bricks are boring, but you know, just using this to make you learn customizing this kit that I'm going to give you free. Trust me, this is paid on SS2. I don't know how much you have to pay. Okay, now let's look how this thing is looking. Play. As you can see, the world looks a little bit better than that time. And once again, now we'll have to change the screen color or skybox color to make it look even more better. And let's edit that. I missed editor. I know I'm praising myself. I shouldn't. I am like a fool, whatever. Let's stop those blah blah shit and get on working. So under X-Racer, under materials, you have to search the skybox dark 1, and this is a copy of the dark one. I'll delete this. You can see it's skybox dark 1.mat. I'm going to delete this. Okay, now it turned those cause I deleted which material they had. Okay, I'm going to edit it in just a second. And now we are going to need that lightning tab that I closed few minutes ago. So under window, or press window, and over here select the lightning and select the settings, and I'm going to dog this thing over here, and I'm going to select the scene. As you can see, it says missing material. Now I'm going to select the skybox yellow one and edit this. I'm sorry. And I think this yellow one, I don't need to edit this. This one goes pretty cool with the scene. I just need to change the fog a bit. So come down over here, and once again, this version of Unity doesn't have the fog thingy, and these have these other settings. Over here you can see this color. If I change it, the fog may change, and yep, it changes. I'm going to select this something like this, and I think it looks pretty cool. If I press this and play a little, no, not bad at all. And once again, sorry for my lagging PC. Well, now we know how to customize Okay, I'm suffering from this problem actually. It never appeared before. Whatever, I'm going to close you. Sorry, Windows. Okay, now we know how to customize our world. Well, the same thing you can do with what appears by changing some models, and I'm not going to get into that because creating terrains is pretty hard, I have told you. Whatever, now let's create now let's actually change the model that we are going to use. Now for now I'll select, I'll go I actually want to change the scene. The mobile scene is pretty good with my PC. I can play it around more. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty nice and good going with my low lagging PC. I'm going to close this thing up. Okay, now let's create our new spaceship or ship. So let's go under X-Racer. No, not under X-Racer. We're going to go on our scene, on the canvas, on the let's say store menu, and under scroll panel we have some shop items. I'm going to select this red Falcon, and over here under inspector panel this red Falcon item, I'm going to select this. And yep, this is a bug of Unity. Unity is full of bugs, I know, but still I love using it. And this gives you the red Falcon. This is actually a model, the red Falcon model. You can change this red Falcon model into something else. That you can always download a spaceship model from Google. Well, I'm going to customize this red Falcon into something else, so that it gives us something else instead of red Falcon. And I'm going to select this red Falcon, and I'm going to give it black sniper. Oh, golden sniper. I'm going to give it black sniper. Okay, let's see what black sniper looks like. I'm going to give it black sniper. 1 second, select the black sniper. Black sniper have the golden sniper model. Now I'm going to select the red Falcon skin over here. Now this skin comes with a logo image. Okay, I'm going to retype the title into something like just to help you learn how this thing works. And now under image, I'm going to give it something else. It have the red Falcon by default. I'm going to give it where's that one? Okay, I'm going to give it the black sniper skin. So under black sniper image, and over here the black sniper looks pretty cute, isn't it? Yep, even looks like a sniper. Whatever, I'll select this red Falcon. I'm going to get this UI sprite. Unity bug, don't mind. Oops, what happened? I know. I should have studied this before. Red Falcon image, skin image. Oh, sorry, this is the button. We don't have to edit this. We never have to edit this. I'm sorry about this. I'm going to select this image, and over here I can give it my black sniper. easy peasy. You can see I have a black sniper over here. It's my ship, and I'm going to change the black sniper color into something like, let's say, nah, changing the color makes my ship look pretty bad. Okay, I'm going to give it the red color, and maybe we have a new ship ready. Let's hit play and see if we have a new ship ready for us. I'll hit store. Oh well, I'm sorry once again. I actually gave him the prefab of this black sniper, which I haven't bought already. You can see over here those are the pretty same. I'm going to unselect this, and over here under red Falcon skin, item prefab is going to be the I'll hit over here, and the item prefab will be the blue Falcon or red Falcon actually. The item prefab will be red Falcon, and into red Falcon I have to change this after a lot of time. I hope this is not going to make you confused. If it ever make you confused, never ever forget to contact me on my Facebook ID or Fiverr account. Okay, now I'll hit this red Falcon. I'm going to change this red Falcon into my black sniper, and once again this is a model. Black sniper is just a model. It had nothing into it, nothing, just a beautiful model. Very beautiful, so beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. Whatever. I hated it first time, but you know. And voila, we have our new ship over there. Now I am using this ship as an example. You can create your own ship, or you can use your customized ship downloaded from internet for free or paid or whatever. And I think we have done a lot of editing in this video. And once again, if you want to create some stuff, more stuff in it, I will tell you definitely I will tell you to definitely learn C# scripting, as these things scripts are basically written in C#. I have checked, and was that a bug? No, that was not a bug. And let's play till the I can't actually play it till the end. So let's say what we have learned. We have learned to customize the world, we have learned to customize these ships, we have learned to change the skybox color and stuffs, and we have learned to change the name of our game. So I think this is marking the end of this video, and I know this thing was pretty boring. We have actually created nothing, but we have something called a game, and this is the magic of Unity, baby. Okay, why magic of Unity? If Unity Asset Store was not there, we actually would have nothing of this. And once again, if you have any question, just comment or PM me on my given links in description, and this kit can be downloaded free in the description. And so sure, like and subscribe, and please like and subscribe, because I have pretty less subscribers on here in my channel, and I know this is just the second video of my channel, but you can see how much pressure I have put on it. I'm giving you a free kit, I'm giving you free textures, even I am giving you free space to create or edit this kit. So please don't feel shy, just hit that subscribe and bell icon if possible. I hate that bell icon actually for notification, but for my channel, of course, hit that bell icon. Okay, my name is Jihan, and goodbye.